How to avoid order cancellation when trying new website, how to figure out how much you can actually order, and how to make sure that you do not waste too much time or that you waste your chance. Because I think that with beginners, this is the biggest thing. You do not want to waste your chance at ordering on a website from getting blacklisted on that website, right? So I've seen a couple of advice online lately with shorts, with TikToks and all that stuff, and I kind of disagree, not really disagree with them, but like I disagree in a sense that it is true, it is something that could be helpful for more advanced sellers, but for beginners, it may not work. Because the advice that I've heard online from a lot of different people is try slowly, rank up the spend, like increase how much you spend little by little, start with 1 order, 2, 3 orders a day, and then go beyond that. And it's not necessarily true in my opinion, because for a lot of websites, you're going to get blacklisted, and especially as a beginner where you do not have a lot of money to spend, you want to maximize and still be able to place these orders, because that way you can reach your spending quota, right? So this is what we're going to talk about in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza with these daily videos about selling on Amazon right here on YouTube. So if you are new, subscribe and like this video. Also, I offer group coaching if you want my help to scale your business. There's a link in the description, there's a link in the comments. Up on a call with me to see if you're a fit. It's $99 a month. You get to learn with different sellers. Okay, I'm mentoring a small group of sellers, maximum 5 sellers, and I take you guys to scale your business. So if you want to do this with me, you also have access to Arbitrage Stalker, which is my software and my target list. If you want to do that, link in the description. Book a call with me. Also, you can now get a free trial of Arbitrage Stalker. Just go to the website, sign up for an account, enter your payment information, you'll get a 7-day free trial, so you can start trying the tool and you can cancel if you do not like it, before you actually get charged. All right? So, as I said, I do not necessarily agree with the common advice. What I was personally doing when I was just starting, first of all, do not place $1,000 order, okay? $1,000 orders is going to get you banned, 100%, okay, on those websites. So start with smaller order. Try to keep it under $300, all right? Because a lot of the websites that you are going to try when you are going to start are going to cancel your orders if you place, especially if you did a lot of beauty like me. A lot of these beauty websites are not reseller friendly, all right? So one thing that you should absolutely not get to avoid order cancellation is OA Buddy. Not OA Buddy, yeah, I think it's called OA Buddy. There's that Chrome extension that costs $200. Do not do that, do not spend your money in that. Just figure it out, talk with seller, figure it out, and you'll be able to figure it out by yourself. It's not worth $200, it's totally trash, and a lot of the advice are outdated, all right? So, what you want to do is this. Start by placing an order in the morning, right? So you place an order in the morning, you wait until the order ship to place your second order. This is what you should start by doing, all right? You start by placing 1 order in the morning, 1 order at night, okay? Whenever you're going to place the order in the morning, it should ship. On most websites, it's going to ship by the end of the day, all right? Whenever the order ships, you receive the shipping notification, you place the second order, and you do the same thing next day in the morning or early afternoon. Whenever it ships, you place a new order. I was able to place a ton of orders on Ulta that way, because Ulta was one of my main source, okay? And Ulta is a website that is known to blacklist sellers. I placed huge orders every single day on Ulta for like close to probably 6 months, and was not blacklisted by doing this, while Ulta is a website that is not at all reseller friendly, right? A little bit more than websites like Target. Target are going to shut you down really fast. But like by doing this, by starting with this, is going to allow you to not get as many order cancellation, and because the most important thing right here is to be able to spend your money, especially in the early days, to spend your money while you figure this out. If you do not have a ton of money to spend, if you have less than $300 a day to spend, just do it this way, okay? 150 in the morning, 150 at night. You know, small orders in the morning, 1 small order in the morning, 1 small order at night. You should be good for a long time. Then when you need, do not go overboard just yet, okay? For example, me, now when I discover a new website, I automatically place huge orders. If they cancel, I don't care. If it goes through, thank God. If it cancel, I don't care, because I have other source, right? But if you do not have a lot of source, if you do not know a lot of websites, do not waste your time getting blacklisted on website. It's not worth it. It's not worth it at all. Do one in the morning, one at night, and then scale up the orders. That's the plan. That's it. Do not make it complicated. One order in the morning, one order at night. Or just, if it takes a little bit longer to ship your orders, wait until you get the shipping notification to place the other order. You will be straight, right? And after that, once you start getting more money to invest into your business, rank up the spending, start spending more, start placing orders back to back, see how different websites react. But at this point, okay, if you're like me, if you do not start with $10,000 in capital, at this point, you know, you'll be able to, this is when you will actually need to start working, start prioritizing websites that are more reseller friendly, where it's easy to spend your money. At the beginning, just do this, stay under the radar this way to make sure that your orders do not cancel, and then start spamming orders. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.